Okay, I have to go backwards a little bit. This is chapter 24, nutrition. I can remember what chapter it was. We've got 3 objectives here. So I'm going to take each one, do a little video on each one. This is going to be objective 1. Their word bits are there. They're also on the Moodle page for you all. So again, we're going to take a look at objective 1 over the nutrition chapter. I think I said chapter 24. So the first thing you need to know is the definition of nutrition. It is the science of nutrients in foods and their action within the body. So we're talking about digestion, absorption, transportation, and cellular metabolism. This should be familiar. We're kind of carrying over from the previous chapter. Okay, so when we're talking about nutrients, that was the definition of nutrition, but what's the definition of nutrients? Nutrients are chemicals taken into the body that are going to be used to produce energy or provide building blocks for new molecules and or function and other chemical reactions. So they don't have to do all of these things. We're going to see some nutrients that, for instance, do not produce energy, okay? There is a difference between the word essential and non-essential. Okay, so an essential nutrient or an essential vitamin, anything in this chapter that's classified as essential, whether it be a nutrient or a vitamin, is going to be a chemical that has to be ingested, meaning you're going to have to eat it to get it. Your body cannot make it. Now, if it's non-essential, that's something that your body has the ability to synthesize, to make. So you don't have to get it from an outside source. Your body can make that particular component. Now, there are 6 classes of nutrients. Hopefully, you all remember these from A&P 1 because we discussed this in A&P 1. So this should be somewhat of a review. We've got our 6 classes: carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, water, minerals, and vitamins. And remember, when we're talking about energy for the cell, which ones are the energy yielding nutrients? They're the ones that are ultimately going to directly make ATP. So there are some that are going to be used to indirectly make it. We're talking about, when we say energy yielding, we're talking about the ones that directly lead to ATP production. Okay, that was objective 1.